Hi, guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we will share about Co-op Live Arena construction update. The new progress still finishing the roof panels. Co-op Live will be 100% electric. The roof boasts the equivalent of 2 football pitches of solar panels. The moment the final acoustic cassette was dropped into place, signed by all of construction workers, partners and friends. The world of Facade is going well. LEDs will be integrated into the facade to create a seamless aesthetic between event and non-event modes. Originally expected to be ready to open in 2023, the project was delayed until next year and is now set for completion in April 2024. The entertainment space will be located on the Facade campus, and is set to be the UK's largest indoor venue, reportedly having a maximum capacity of 23,000 people within its innovative bull design. Opening April 2020. The entertainment space will be located on the Facade campus, and is set to be the UK's largest indoor venue, reportedly having a maximum capacity of 23,000 people within its innovative bull design. Opening April 2024, Co-op Live will be a 23,500 capacity arena in East Manchester that will host the world's greatest concerts and gigs. The Jonas Brothers will be one of the first artists to play Co-op Live as part of our huge opening season. As one of the most successful groups of the 21st century, the trio bring their 5 albums. One Night tour to Manchester.